arms on the bars, gather your sea legs, and exit onto the dock. You did yourselves proud out there, although I must say, some of you be looking a nice shade of green about now, so maybe it'll be best if you leave your sea legs behind. Now, go on and off with y'all. Go and prove yourselves as pirates, if you think you've got the stomach for it. Make sure you be keeping a firm grip when the waves is a-rolling in. And it's heave ho, and off we go. Come on, lads, here we go. Vessel be coming in a dock, so remains in your seats until we've fully stopped, and I ask you to disembark. That's it. 'Tis time to come ashore. Now, mind your arms on the bars, gather your sea legs, and exit onto the dock. You did yourselves proud out there, although I must say, some of you be looking a nice shade of green about now, so maybe it'll be best if you leave your sea legs behind. Now, go on and off with y'all. Go and prove yourselves as pirates, if you think you've got the stomach for it.